What's the meaning of age group? Age group. Age group. Age group. Age group. Age group. Age group refers to a categorization of individuals based on their age. This is a common way to segment populations for various purposes, such as conducting research or marketing products and services. Age groups can be defined differently depending on the context and specific needs. For example, some commonly used age groups include infant, child, teenager, adult, and elderly. Understanding age groups can help organizations tailor their offerings and communications to specific target audiences. Overall, age group is a useful tool for analyzing and understanding demographic data.